So hi there buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can download original FileBird WordPress plugin in just $3 with lifetime update and license key enabled. So I'm gonna purchase this and I will install it in my website, and I will show you how you can also do this thing. So this is not any crack type of plugin, so that means you can update it easily. Now you see this, our payment is done. You see this, we got our file, just download it. Done. Now it's time to install the plugin. Choose file, activate. Now generally when you get the null type of plugins or crack versions, they usually don't update, or sometimes they are with malicious virus and malwares, so they can harm your website, so stay away from this. So you see this, our plugin is installed and activated. You see this, everything is perfectly working. You see this, the license key also activated. Now from here you can just start your work, so you can do it all the things from your side. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If this is, then give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it, thank you and bye bye.